Wait, I'll let you know when you can do it. Okay, let me just get the camera ready. Don't give it back just yet. How's it feel?
It feels like trying to take the dang picture.
Okay, camera's gotta warm up a little bit here.
Come say hi.
That is pretty. So, do you know what's the morphs or whatever on that?
So this one is a banana.
Mm-hmm.
Or, sorry, bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
I don't know why I said banana.
Okay, okay.
It's not gonna do anything to you. It's just gonna
Yes, it
check
is.
you out a little bit.
Okay.
Very good, Beck. That your first time ever holding a snake?
Yes.
Good job.
These ones are really easy to hold because they're not active.
How are you doing over here, Samo?
Good.
What do you think?
I think they're really soft.
Really soft.
They
huh?
are. They are super soft.
This one's moving around a bit too. Here's the other babies. This guy's saying, "Oh, do I want to come all the way out? I don't know."
He's just sitting there.
I'll drink. I'll drink your poop.